Hello Reddy and welcome to my channel. I'm assassinghost and this is the fifth video in our WordPress for Beginners series. And in this video we are going to take a look at how exactly are you going to write blogs on your website. So basically we were creating a blog from the very start, and I have showed you how to install and configure WordPress, how to secure your site, and how to customize your site to look really great just like this. And I've also showed you how to customize the attribution in the previous 4 videos. In this video we are going to take a look at how to write blog post. And for writing blog post you have multiple options. If you're logged in, so for example, as you can see I'm currently logged in, you will get this little bar. Also note that you won't get this bar if you are a regular user. Like if a regular user, let me just go to incognito and go to youtube.creatorgoals.com, and if I head over to this site through incognito, because I'm not currently logged in, you won't see the bar. Okay, you will just see the website just like this, and you won't see the admin bar because that is only for the admins, authors, and the people moderating the website. So now since we are here and we have this admin bar, we will get this option called new. We have new post, new media, new page, new user, and new form if you want to customize your form just like this. But we will go to our dashboard in this case and we'll create a new post from our dashboard. So it's here. I'll go to post, and first of all I want to take a look at all posts because we currently have like a dummy post, which if I view it, it's called hello world and YouTube blog. This is your welcome to WordPress. This is your first post, edit or delete it, then then start writing, of course. So I'm just going to trash it, just straight to trash. Now it's time for us to add a new post. We have this little add new button right here. Once you click on it, it will give you the ability, or it will give you the new Gutenberg Editor. So this is the new blocks editor, also known as the Gutenberg Editor, and this is like a new editor. In the previous days we had the classic editor, which looked really different from this, but now since WordPress had many updates, and this is the new Gutenberg editor. The Gutenberg is just the name of the editor. You don't have anything to worry about. So for example, we have this add title and we can start writing. So for this I'm going to copy one of the posts from my main website, which is creatorgoals.com. So I will just copy this title and I'm going to paste the title right here. And now you can just go ahead and start writing your entire post just like this, but I'm going to copy it too, just to save some time. So I will go here and I will start from this image. I think I should. Okay. I will copy all of these and then I'm just going to paste it. If you copy and paste it, it will look really fantastic, but I won't recommend you to copy and paste, because if you copy and paste post on your blog, the ranking in Google search will be really low. If the Google search engine saw that you are copying the post from any other website, it will be known as plagiarized content, and it will rank your site really low and it won't show to all the visitors, so it's of no use. But since this is just a tutorial and I want to save some time, I'm going to copy it. And it is really easy to add text. So for example, if you want to add something after this, you can just go ahead and press plus, and you have multiple options. You can add paragraph, you can add image, you can add a heading, you can add gallery, you can add list, you can add quote, audio, cover, and you also have a lot of options. You have formatting blocks, you have layout elements, you have widgets, you have embeds, you also have other you can embed Google Map, you have button group and other stuff. But for this we are just going to add a simple paragraph and name is something like, if you like this post, be sure to bookmark the page, something like this. And if you want to again go ahead and add an image after this, so for example, if you want something to be added after this, you select this, press the plus icon, go to image, and you will have the option to directly upload it. You can insert from URL, or you can click on media library. So since we already have some images lying around, I'll just use this one. This is totally unrelated to this topic, but just for the sake of this tutorial, I will use this image. And also what you need to do is you can assign some categories. If you don't assign a category, it will by default go to uncategorized. So I will just name something like, let's just say Android, and add a new category. You can add tags here if you want, and you can add the featured image. So in this case, I'm going to select something, let me see, I will use the same image as my featured image. And once you're done with it, you have two options. You can save it draft if you don't want to publish it immediately, and you can press preview to see how it looks in the actual browser. So WordPress is going to generate a preview for us, and as you can see, it looks really great. And this is your blog, and this is a preview for your blog. And once you are satisfied, you think that yeah, it looks okay, you can just go ahead and press publish and press publish. It will update the website, update the website, and this post will be live on the website. So let me just go back to the dashboard, and here you can see we have our first post. I think I should actually, I want to duplicate it because I don't want to write multiple posts one after another. Okay, leave it be. Let's go ahead and take a look at the site. So now, as you can see, this is our site, and this is our first blog. And basically, we created a 3x3 9-grid blog, and we currently have only one blog, so that is why it's giving it is showing one in the center. So we need to seriously add more blogs. Let me just go to add new, and I will click on it, and give me some time. I'm just going to copy paste everything. Okay, so now I went on a little bit of streak, and I duplicated it 11 times instead of 9 times, but let's take a look at the site once more. I will definitely recommend you not to do this on your actual site. I'm just doing to save a little bit of time, but don't do it on your actual website. So as you can see, we made a 3x3 grid, and as you can see, we have all the blogs right here on our home page. And it was good that I made 11 posts, because if you notice, we only have 9 posts right here. Where are the other posts? For the other post, we have to go to the blog page, and here you will see all the posts. If there are multiple posts, you will get multiple pages, and it shows recent posts, recent comments, archive, and meta. Let's just take care of this first. So I will go to customize, and once we are there, I will go to widgets, and in the sidebar we do have search. Okay, I want search. Recent posts, that is also good, and we can have the categories. You can drag and drop and align them however you wish to do. So category, recent post, I don't want recent comments here, so if you don't want recent comment, just remove it. If you don't want archives here, remove it. If you don't want meta, remove it. And if you want to add some more widgets, so let's just see what we can add. Let's just add a simple calendar right there. I don't quite like it, but calendar, apply. You can add other widgets, you can add a navigation menu, you can add your page list, you can add recent post, you can add search, of course we already added it, you can add a video, you can add a form right there, and you can do whatever you want. I don't like this calendar, I'm just going to delete it and press publish. Now if you come back to our post page, you will see the search category. Since we only have one category, which is Android, and we have recent posts, and we only have one post like the same title, so it's showing us the same title. And as you can see, we now have all the posts right here. But one more thing you might be noticing is that this pink color, we need to get rid of this. So if it's a blog, so for example, if we are on a single blog, so for example I want to read this one, and I go to this page, the featured image which we set will be used as the header background. But as you can see, this looks really great here. But if we are on the blog page, which we just went by clicking here, you see there is nothing. For that, we need to go to header options and header settings, and as you can see, it says current header. We currently have this little bit of gradient. We can add a new image if you wish to add something. So again, I'm going to add this keyboard and crop image to the correct size which you want, and we'll just go ahead and publish it. Now as you can see, we have this nice little background even on the blog. And if we click on it, of course we can go to the front page, and as you can see, this was how you can add blogs on your website. Easy and simple. So definitely, if you have any question or if you have any problem, and so for example, if you end up making a website, be sure to let me know in the comments down below or in my Discord server, and I will be sure to check that out. And if you like this video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. We will release more WordPress tutorials for you in the future. So definitely subscribe, hit the bell icon so you can receive the notifications, and this website will be live. I won't take it down. Actually, it was just for the tutorial, but I won't take it down. So you can still come here and take a look at this website and admire it if you wish to do so. Now I'd like to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.